Hey guys, Tim Pritchett here, McKAIG Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, your dealer for the people. And I wanted to do a quick how-to video for you on this 2019 Buick Regal TourX, and I wanted to show you the trunk space and the back seat space that this vehicle's got. So come on over here with me. I want to open the lid here and show you. This is a brand new model from Buick. The TourX kind of looks like a little space-age station wagon. So there's your back. And of course, you do get the privacy cover here, which covers all your, if you have luggage or anything like that. When you close the lid, of course, it covers everything up and you can't see a thing in there. So all your valuables and everything will be safe in there. That way can't nobody see it. We'll come over here and show you. You can lay these seats down completely flat. Right up here is just a little button here that you pull down here, and the other seat, a 60-40 split seat. So you can see that that seat does lay all the way flat. And you got all that storage space back there. So you got good room, good leg room, got vents back here. So come on by, let me show you this beautiful Buick Regal here at McKAIG Chevrolet Buick. Call me at 903-374-0217. You can ask for Tim. Thank you.